You are now tuning into Audio for Well-Being on Chimebase. Collecting the Skies, A Guide to Rainwater Harvesting by Waterwise Innovations. Introduction. Welcoming the Skies, the Journey of Rainwater Harvesting. Welcome to Collecting the Skies, A Guide to Rainwater Harvesting, a comprehensive exploration of one of nature's most precious gifts, rain. This guide is not just a manual, it's a journey into the heart of sustainability, a testament to the ingenuity of human resourcefulness, and a call to embrace a more harmonious way of living with our environment. Imagine standing under the open sky, feeling the first drops of rain on your skin, each drop a tiny capsule of life sustenance. Now, imagine harnessing this natural bounty, channeling the essence of the skies into nourishing your home and garden, and sustaining your life in a profound way. This is the essence of rainwater harvesting, a practice as ancient as civilization, yet as innovative as the latest technology. Throughout history, rainwater has been collected and utilized by cultures all over the world. From the vast rainwater cisterns of ancient Rome to the sophisticated harvesting systems in today's eco-friendly homes, the journey of rainwater harvesting is as diverse as it is fascinating. In this book, you will discover the untapped potential that lies in rainwater, a potential to transform your home into a model of sustainability, to significantly cut down on water bills, and to contribute positively to the environment. We will guide you through the fundamentals of collecting, storing, and utilizing rainwater, breaking down the process into understandable and actionable steps. Each chapter in this guide is meticulously crafted to provide you with comprehensive knowledge, practical advice, and insightful reflections on rainwater harvesting. You will learn about assessing your home's rainwater potential, the components of a harvesting system, legal considerations, and much more. Real-life examples, case studies, and statistical data are interspersed throughout, providing a grounded and realistic view of what rainwater harvesting can achieve. Moreover, this book delves into the heart of why rainwater harvesting is more than just a technical endeavor. It is a lifestyle choice, a statement of environmental consciousness stepped towards a more sustainable future. We explore the environmental impact of conventional water usage, the ecological benefits of rainwater harvesting, and the personal satisfaction that comes with living in harmony with nature. As you turn each page, you will find yourself equipped not only with the knowledge to implement a rainwater harvesting system, but also with a deeper appreciation for the cycle of water that sustains all life on Earth. This guide is an invitation to start a rewarding journey, one where every raindrop becomes a symbol of hope, sustainability, and a brighter future. Join us as we embark on this enlightening journey, collecting the skies drop by drop. Chapter 1. The Essence of Rainwater Harvesting, Understanding the Fundamentals. The Nature and Necessity of Rainwater Harvesting. In the realm of sustainable living, rainwater harvesting stands as a beacon of practicality and simplicity. Here, we delve into the specifics. Defining rainwater harvesting. It's a method that encompasses the collection, storage, and utilization of rainwater. This age-old practice, once a necessity for survival, has now resurged as a tool for sustainable living. Historical significance. Drawing from ancient practices such as the rainwater collection systems of the Roman Empire and the intricate stepwells of India, we see a blend of ingenuity and necessity. These historical examples highlight how societies have thrived by optimizing this natural resource. The science behind rainwater harvesting. The hydrologic cycle unpacked. Every drop of rain is part of the planet's hydrologic cycle. We explore this journey from evaporation to the formation of clouds and precipitation. Understanding this cycle is crucial for grasping the dynamics of rainwater harvesting. Quality of rainwater. Compared to groundwater or municipal supplies, rainwater often contains fewer dissolved minerals and is naturally soft. We analyze its composition, discussing factors like pH balance and the presence of pollutants, which can vary depending on geographical location and environmental conditions. Modern context and sustainability. A sustainable choice. In today's world, where sustainability is paramount, Rainwater harvesting offers a way to reduce dependence on treated water sources. It's not only about conserving water, but also about minimizing the energy and chemical use associated with water treatment and transportation. Climate change adaptation. With erratic weather patterns and water scarcity becoming more common, rainwater harvesting emerges as a practical solution. It contributes to water security, providing a buffer in times of drought and reducing the impact of flooding during heavy rainfall. The role of rainwater harvesting in water conservation. Easing pressure on water systems. By supplementing our water needs with harvested rain, we reduce the demand on public water supplies. This is especially critical in areas facing water shortages. Environmental benefits. Rainwater harvesting contributes to the environment by reducing surface runoff, which can lead to soil erosion and water pollution. By capturing rainwater, we also aid in groundwater recharge, helping to maintain the balance of local aquifers. Conclusion: a foundation for sustainable water use. As we conclude this chapter, we have a thorough understanding of rainwater harvesting, its history, science, modern application, and environmental significance. This knowledge lays the groundwork for implementing a rainwater harvesting system, aligning our water use with the principles of sustainability and ecological balance. In the next chapter, we'll take a practical turn, guiding you through assessing your specific environment and property for effective rainwater harvesting.